I am going to be teaching you how to make $1 trading cryptocurrency every minute, and then that is you making $1,400 a day and $4,000 a month, guys. And the best part of this is that it doesn't require you to have any prior experience. All you just require is a few bucks and an internet connection, guys. First step, you need to download MetaMask, set up your wallet, then fund your wallet with some Ethereum, guys. Secondly, you need to search for new trending cryptocurrency, guys. Just like this investor that turned $22 into $120,000 with this very token, just with one single trade. And then thirdly, you need to learn how to use decentralized exchanges like Uniswap and PancakeSwap to swap these high volatile tokens and hold them for profits, guys. But one thing I should let you know that is these tokens are very risky, that have high chances of hitting to zero the moment they are being launched, guys. So make sure you make your own research. And then lastly, you're gonna join our Telegram group if you want to learn how to track the Whales wallet to help you in making these decisions, so that you don't buy the coins that are likely going to hit zero the moment they are being launched, guys. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.